We have team coverage of the storm's aftermath for you tonight. Karen Morfitt in Arvada near that tree. Tori Mason is at DIA, which had to close some runways. Dave Aguilera has the latest weather conditions. We begin, though, with Alan Janae and all that damage, Alan.
Well, a whole bunch of damage yet to be cleaned up. Power is still out in this area around 4th and Clarkson. You can see why right behind me. XL will fix those wires, but remember, they say they won't remove the trees in a storm like this one. There were certainly in this windstorm a lot of problems to go around. They were raging winds that could deflate the holiday spirit. Towering trees bent and in places came crashing down.
And all of a sudden there was a forest out there.
A forest that had been a tree standing over Brian Woodworth's Englewood home. He was at school teaching when he got the call.
It was my next door neighbor, and she was like, your tree fell on your house. Great.
His dog was inside, but okay. He'd spend the night with a cousin. All over, the wind created incredible scenes. A time-lapse of clouds pouring out over the Air Force Academy. The wind tossed a trailer from Bandimere Speedway property down towards C-470 below. But Coloradans know how to make the best of things. Runner Howard Kumpf was still on the trail.
You got to be pretty hardcore to come running in wind like this.
Yeah, we have a group and we're kind of crazy.
This couple seeking to adopt a cat was undaunted by a power outage in Lakewood.
We thought it was a sign driving by here.
We've got a couple of black ones that are running around, and so they're really hard to see.
It still worked out, mostly. And in a neighborhood going dark, Barb Benaldino was heading out.
We're going to go get something to eat, and hopefully the power will be back on.
On her mind, other people.
It made me think of the people in Kentucky that are really struggling, and we're lucky to have a power outage.
And thinking about other people. Now, here's what's ahead. A lot of work yet to be done in clearing up these areas that have had problems. And, you know, there are some good things about what happened today. The leaves, of course, were off the deciduous trees. That meant less force on the trees, maybe less damage. And people did pay attention to warnings about potential fires. There were no significant wildfires today. In Denver, I'm Alan Janae, covering Colorado First.